I'm going to show you quickly on how to customize your branding in your Shopify store. So go to your Shopify account, you want to go to settings, and you'll have a section called branding, or brand, sorry. You want to click on it here, and here's where you can add all your bits and bobs for your company and your branding. You know, the logo and everything. It's simple as that. It used to be a lot more complicated back in the day, but they've improved it heavily lately. And that's all you need to do. If you want to customize any more colors or anything on your Shopify store, you want to go to the theme section and go to customize. Here you can customize extra things like the header and so on. Yeah. If you sell digital products, feel free to check out our FileFlare Digital Downloads app. Yeah, and if you get stuck with anything, feel free to contact us on there or even on the comments on the description. More than happy to help fellow store owners get set up on Shopify. And if you want to use our app, feel free. It's great for digital products.